Cho video lấy đã lên từ đầu trời không lấy gì rồi sao giờ không lấy thuê này bị quên không qua rồi trời ơi mà chỗ về qua đây nó cầm mà ba này chế tông mình đẹp mà bạn có xem tâm hết được thì lấy bà đây ok xuống cầm kiểu bạn cái tốt xa
xin anh mà con lại thử
Thế đó là của kiểu thì đưa anh đi đám lâu à tôi anh đi đám lâu à về này đưa khi viên đi qua rồi đi đâu rồi đấy quỳ rồi coi chuyện nào của ở bên kia mà bự nó bái đi về tôi phóng chi nào mà TV gọi xem mà rồi không tên mình bị các bạn cho bà sao mà đi chứ video xong đi ba chị không có xong thì chỉ cái ly số tôi không biết chứ không đi siêu
Facebook, Instagram. Of course not. Give me that! I said stop that. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the
chính cái số đó bị kẹt cái số
bố này con gì mà sao là
sao mẹ
để tao phải thân bây giờ
tao bảo đi cô có sai gì sao lại pila cái mà người ta chơi đây rồi mà không nói ra gì sao 知道。
Now I understand why Bro got so hooked at this app. I go from this to this.
ဘာမိုက်တယ်ဘုရားဒီပါလောင်းတယ်တေးကြပါဘာလို့မရအမှန်ပေါ်နေလို့ရတယ်ဘုရားရဲ့ဒီပေါ်
6 minutes ရှိတယ်
Keep it down, time's running out. Here we go. Come with me now. Stand up and shout. Let them all know. We're gonna let them all know. Not anymore. Keep the score. Here we go. Stop on the floor. Knock down the door. Let them all We got the power. We got the power. Let's start a revolution. Voice one truth. Let's make a scene, make history. Here we go. Up on your feet. Rise up, scream a little. We're gonna let them all
Ringo ဧည့်သည်တွေလာနေပြီချင်းနဲ့ကိုလူဟာမဖြစ်နိုင်တာဒီနေ့ပိတ်ရကြီးလေကွာငါတို့ဒီနေ့ဘသူ့ကိုမှတွေ့နိုင်မှာမထင်ဘူးဘာကိပဲရှိုးလိုက်မင်းတို့တွေသိလားလေရချက်တီကဘယ်ရောက်လာလဲဆိုတန်းစကန်ပါ
ဟိုကနေနေဟုတ်ပါဒီလိုဒီလိုစား
ဝါးအေးဒါနဲ့နေရဘာတူလဲ
Nah, still about a wheel.
စတလာဘော
这你要你要问你这个不
Fans seem like they're really looking forward to the game Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. Kick off. Beautiful footwork. Tactically quite clear what they're doing, trying to get right on top of their opponents. Seeking out a passing lane. Nice block. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Keeping possession nicely. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Seeking out a passing lane. Beautiful through ball. What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Good play, one-on-one. Keeping possession. Might be able to get in behind the defence. so to dispossess the opponent. Looking for options. Carrying the ball forward. Some minutes will be added after regular time. Both teams played well in the first half. The second half is going to be intense. အဲ့ဒါတွေလာနေပြီချင်းနဲ့ကိုလူဟာမဖြစ်နိုင်တာဒီနေ့ပိတ်ရကြီးလေကွာငါတို့ဒီနေ့ဘယ်သူမှတွေ့နိုင်မှာမထင်ဘူးဘာကီဘူးလဲ
ဘယ်လိုလဲပြင်းနေတယ်ကျွန်တော်မှ
အဲ့ဒါလည်းမဝင်လိုက်အင်္ဂါလောက်တာတွေ့ရတာဘိုးဒီဇန်တစ်ဖြတ်ကတော့ဗိတ်ကြီးရမှာဆက်လာဟုတ်တယ်အမေမပြောဘူးဘိုးကပူလို့အဲဝင်လို့ရပူလို့ဖြစ်ပါဘူးเนี่ยทำไมบ่ได้ဟိုဦးလေး
ဘယ်ကိုရရဲဝိုင်းလေးရိုက်စောနေပါရဲ့
တိတိကျကျကြီးလေရဒီမှာကြီးလေပိုးတော့တာသူတို့လုပ်တယ်ကို
ကြီးရနေယူခေါ်
နည်းနည်းတော့ပါပြီတော့ဘယ်လိုလဲစီရအဲ့ဒီကွာဒီမှာပြနေပြီသဘောပေါက်လေ
အိမ်တော်ပတ်တယ်မိုက်
ပြောတာပီတူလေး
ဒါကို origin
လိုက်စိတ်ပုံလို့နိုင်မှာမလားဘူးမှာမလား
အဲ့ရောအဲ့တော့ပတ်တယ်
ပြောလိုက်ရင်အကြီးကျယ်တယ်ပြီး
အိမ်တော်သုံးဝင်ဆို
အကုန်လုံးရှုံးတယ်ပတ်ရှုံး
ဒီလားအဲ့ရှိလို့ပါဝင်